Hi, my name is Wesley and I'm excited about the opportunity to help students achieve their English language goals. I believe learning English is about much more than grammar and vocabulary. It's about opening doors to new opportunities, building confidence, and helping people communicate successfully in their professional lives. Whether it's preparing for a job, interview, speaking confidently in meetings, writing professional emails, or communicating with professional colleagues, I want my students to feel capable and confident every step of the way. My teaching style is patient, encouraging, and student focused. I understand that everyone learns at their own pace, so I create a comfortable environment for students to feel confident asking questions and making mistakes because that's how real learning happens. My goal is to make every lesson practical and engaging and relevant to each student's career and personal goals. But before I finish, I'd like to share a few words in my home language. Goeiedag, ek is baie opgewonde om saam met julle te leer. Ek glo dat elke persoon die vermoë het om suksesvol Engels te leer met die regte ondersteuning en aanmoediging. Ek sien uit daarna om deel van julle leereis te wees. Baie dankie. For a short translation, I'm excited to work with you guys and I'm humble for the new opportunity. Thank you for watching. I hope I meet you in class soon. Thank you.
No, it's probably